Hi there. Welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday, if you have seen my video, I had spoken about how you could actually make 100K as an entrepreneur in the first year itself, and how you should actually build your model, what kind of models work, what are the aspects and pieces that you need to be mindful of. So keeping that in mind, I thought I let me share with you some real-time data that I found on the internet when I did some research on how much do entrepreneurs earn, and in which cities in the U.S. The pay scale of entrepreneurs are the highest. And I can tell you that you will be startled to know that entrepreneurs really earn a fair amount of money. If you could build a business model that's really self-sustaining, that really caters to those elements that I've spoken about, addressing latent needs. How do you actually serve the product to or the service to the customer? How do you build relationship? So if you have got those elements correct, then there's nothing that should stop you from actually making 100K in the first year itself. Also, the other element that you need to be mindful of is the domain that you're into. So you should look at those domains that really function or work well in today's digitized economy. So some of the domains that I've spoken in my earlier video on entrepreneurs is online education. That to me is a given. That will certainly work. If you are looking to build an online education business, probably offering courses on certain specific topics, or maybe a variety of topics, maybe on technology, maybe on cloud computing, maybe on cookery, maybe on gardening, maybe something on plumbing, carpentry. It could be something on, on history. It could be something on the current affairs around the world. So anything that you have, or you could even build a set of courses on each of these different categories and offer that to people. I can tell you there are many people who are looking to gain knowledge, especially if you keep those courses updated. So if you have versions or updated versions, it will definitely work. Your business will work. So that's about online education. The other aspect that I spoke about has been consulting. The consulting is a big, big, big opportunity because you could consult on your own expertise on the subject matter that you are familiar with, you're good at. So you could be consulting on, let's say, digital technology. You could be consulting on, let's say, on supply chain, or it could be something on, let's say, healthcare. So whatever you consult on, you should, and if you're good at that, and if you have connections, you should be able to make good money. And there is nothing that should stop you from building your own, monetary empire if you are good in your or you are knowledgeable in your expertise. The other thing that I spoke about has been, supply chain multi-sourcing. So if you are able to look at providing multi-sourcing opportunities on supply chain, or you could look at Drop shipping. Drop shipping is something which will really is which is really really working today. You could look at if you're an artist, you could look at building, artists and collectors business, and that would also make money because you see, art is something which is where people, if you're really good, people really appreciate and pay a lot of money to buy art to put it up on their homes, inside in their rooms. So you could look at all these, and there are so many opportunities that you could look at to develop for your business model, and make 100K easily in the first year itself. So let me show you what I found when I was doing some research yesterday on the internet on in terms of salaries and the earnings of entrepreneurs. And before we do that, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please share my videos. I'm sure my videos would be useful to a certain group of people who are looking to start out, who are looking to be entrepreneurs, or who want to have a side hustle and possibly a permanent job in their own business instead of working on a day job, being dependent on salaries paid by somebody else and building somebody else's business. So let's dive in, guys. So take a look at this. This I found on Glassdoor. And this was updated on May 19th, 2021. So which was about 10 days, 12 days ago. So the average base pay for entrepreneurs in New York City is over $100,000. That's a fascinating amount, especially when you have, let's say, given up on your own job and you started a business and you're earning 100K, is super fabulous, is really good. So the reason why I'm showing you this is to tell you that don't be afraid that you will probably your business will probably not work if you join a new venture, a business, or be an entrepreneur with a negative mind. Chances are you will not succeed. Obviously, I mean, needless to say, there will be hurdles, there will be problems, but you have to solve those challenges at every step and move on and be successful in your business. So this figure is very encouraging. So if you are looking to build your own business, take encouragement from successes. Only then can you be really successful in whatever you aspire to do or whatever is your future plan is in your mind. Look at the other aspect that I found. What are the cities where entrepreneurs get paid the highest in the US? San Francisco, 128K plus. That's the highest in the US. Now, even if you are working in a full-time job, a lot of people don't even get paid $100,000 a year. So if as an entrepreneur, if you are able to make 120K and plus, then obviously you are a successful person. And of course, I can understand San Francisco is a very expensive place to live in. But if you are able to make that much money, then you are in. You could make even more money if you could build your business better. Look at Raleigh, North Carolina, 93K plus. Look at Miami, Florida, 83K plus. Boston, Massachusetts, 73K plus. Houston, 60K plus. New York City, the average here is, so this is from Indeed, average here is about 59K from 5 salaries reported. Memphis, Tennessee, 57. Los Angeles, California, 54. So you see there is a huge potential if you really have the drive, the courage to build your own business, and you have the temperament to stay on with ups and downs with of your business. You will be successful. Of course, there will be hardships. There will be a lot of challenges that you will have to face, but you have to give it a shot. And the younger you are, the better it is for you to give it a shot because you could go through those ups and downs in your business much comfortably than someone who is in the mid or middle ages or maybe 50 and plus. So I would encourage all of you youngsters to take that plunge and be an entrepreneur. Start on your own. Whatever is your expertise, whatever you like, what works for you, what you're familiar with, start with that, and you would be successful. I can assure you that. If you need to talk to me, please reach out to me. I would put down my website URL. You could reach out to me, or you could reach out to my LinkedIn URL, which will also be in the description down below. So I would really encourage all of you to dive into the world of entrepreneurs. I can tell you it is really satisfying. If you could make it, it's really, really satisfying. So I would also put a link on the card above on one of my videos where I spoke about how you start a business with almost $0 or very little investment. Take a look at this. Look at those domains or business domains that I've spoken about. I hope that is also useful. And that's it, guys. So I wanted to share this information with you, which I found on the internet yesterday when I was researching. Thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. If you want to engage me as your consultant or for your company or your startup, please drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you can even write to me on my website. I will reach out to you very soon, and we can have dialogue. So please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please share my videos, and thank you very much for watching. And I hope you really I'm able to tickle your mind a little bit to push you to be an entrepreneur, at least start a side hustle, and eventually, hopefully, could make that into a full-time job for you. So until my next video, please stay safe and see you tomorrow on my next video. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.